he's a very talented young chap who needs space, and I always actually laugh with him and I say I think he's autistic, autism who creating music. So I think Mrs. K, as it is now, he's already on album number 5, then I look at him on number 3, So it's rare to find such talent, especially in a country like Zim, especially in a city like Bulawayo. And I just pray and hope that this is his season, and I hope that better things are coming for Mrs. K. The services we've provided as a unit, and I think as a corporate, is mostly the eventing side for Mrs. K, which is obviously in everyone's view. But over and above that, I think as a person also using Sabela Music Projects, we've done a lot of consultation, a lot of negotiation, and a lot of representation on behalf of Mrs. K. Yes, we've had a bit of influence on the production aspect in terms of the first 2 albums, and obviously this one that is coming out. So our involvement has been threefold, both spiritual, a bit of financial, and a bit of making sure that he doesn't lose hope, because musicians like Mrs. need a bit of support like what we've given him, technically, logistically, and financial, and obviously spiritual support. He needs that.
Sure, Sanibonani, Mina the shoemaker, the CEO, the rapper does. So I'm talking the first time he's on the first time mama ngihambe lo Mrs. K ngikhasi siyashuta ivideo kaSondela. For the first time empilweni kamama ngofaka status and a picture of Mrs. K wathi I told you guys I'll have a celebrity in my house. Imagine ngile 5 years ngihlabela kodwa mama msese celebrity Mrs. K. It is what it is.
Saga. Kodwa sikhosana besithi siyafihla. Ungabufana lo. Ngicela imfihle. Because izawukhuluma lapha imfihlo lezidingo. Imfihle. All right, umsizi sihlola bangani. I'm sure into ezayikhuluma lapha vele kahle kahle akayikhumbuli vele kayazi. Mina nobosi wami lapha nasibizana Top Mafada. Sesingotop Mafada thina. So, Mrs. K, I doubt if he even remembers this. I think it was around 2009. Sigo, the late Chuma Sego. Why figure no father no problem with you? I'm going to say, it's only cable. I don't know what to start. It's all this tech cable. Come on, television. We don't follow the village. I don't get smiling. I could pay Mrs. K. But I remember this at the time. Sasikuna phana kuJoma Seko kuJoma Seko kusesela producer virus thina laphana sasiba ama just in case producers ukuthi nxa uthi Joe lama earrings sale sibambe uthina lapha. So I used to tell you Joe ngithi yabona ufana lo problem lo, but into yakho nayo engakhali, but kungathi thina nathi singaba artists ngibona ukuthi lapha kule potential. I used to remember ukuthi Mrs. K wayefika kwaphana ukuthola vele sethola awukhumbule la khona lo lapha khona. So I used to like ngathanda ukumteaser nje ngimtease so hlozi wena mfana bayala bona yabo asizo ngifana umncane sibili ngithi wena akugqoka ikepesi uvale impaba ngale umzothi akuthazi impaba ngale izanilethela imali yabona izanilethela udumo uthi vale impaba ngale wena yabo ngimteaser nje just like that. And then I think that was the time okwaphuma khona isingle yakhe uthiwa baya theater or something like that. Ayahlupha yachinja igame ku-industry leyafuna utshela manje kwatshintsha yonke into ukuthi hey athi jonga utshele yabona umfana lo. But by then we didn't have any local radio station lapha kuBulawayo, so sasimzwela ngangalo kulana ama-stations wokhona lawana yabona.
First time I knew about his about songs that Mrs. K has sang was through my friend Norma. She's not very musical, but when she told me that there's a very nice song which she sang when I went to I really had to listen to it because I thought if Norma likes a song, it just has to be good. So I went out and looked for it.
The first time I met to Sizalobuhle, it was an internet cafe in Zimbabwe. So apparently we were trying to use the internet so he was used to giving me by the time, and coincidentally we were having the same ringtone. So when this phone rang, I thought before we go back for the time called play Adventure of a Lifetime. So the meeting was organic. When we met, he was like, let me send you my song. The song that he said, he remixed God love more my time. So he did a remix. So when I went home, I was telling my friends, this guy is going to I told them, I think today I can say, one of those times when someone makes it and you want to say, this is one of the times. So I'm saying, congratulations to Sizalobuhle. This is all in
So we're done with the first part of the launch of Sizalobuhle's CD. So this is the first part of the launch, and we're done with the first part of the launch, and very soon we'll be heading over to the second part of the launch. So Sizalobuhle, I see on the album that your first CD, you named it Life, and then Elandelayo, What You Love. Tell us about Life. What was the inspiration for you to put those songs together for the CD or Life?
Life is a painful side of the album. Songs like Monday are based on, like reality and inspired by stuff that you go through as a person. So sometimes not even goes performer, nothing is recorded, stuff like Monday, songs like Ngingumuntu, based on really feeling like I am a person, I have flaws, no superhero engela, akula superhero engela weakness. You understand? Sonke singabantu, and we're here, and even songs like what's that song that we played just now? Oh, Ngingakula. Ngingakula is a crazy song. Ngingakula is a fun song because I play that song and actually smile. It makes me happy. It's actually a happy song for me.
Right, so this is Sizalobuhle, and I must say it's a beautiful track listing, and I suggest get yourself a copy, and it's available on all streaming platforms. It is available on all streaming platforms. Right, I also do notice that you have a wide range of collaborations. Slola D, Slola Ishan, Slombo Mahawk, Slola Begiwe, and there's the famous Ngawuzu Moya Wami. Also got Lushishiki, got MJ Sings. I saw MJ Sings is in the crowd with us, and they also got Feb G, and they also got Habarati. How was the experience of working with each of these artists?
That was a crazy experience. I think working with so many people was good because I think I grew as an artist. So you would meet an artist like Ashan. Please give a big shout out to Ashan for coming through all the way from H-Town to be with us today. We made amazing music. So when we made, I'll talk about the experience of when we made Dance For Me. Actually, when I went to Harare, myself and my team would send Aishan a different song. That's not the song that's on the album. So, because we gave ourselves time to actually work, we had like a day plus and some change, So I got there, we did that song. I've got this song. What you think? I was like, I like this, let's work. So the crazy part is that at the end of the day, we were like, hey, we still have some time, let's try something else. And something else became Dance For Me, which is an absolutely phenomenal song. Shout out to him, amazing artist, amazing producer. Because I was sitting there watching him make this beat while I was singing. Hey, oh, jeez, it was a crazy experience, guys. I learned and I grew a lot from working with everyone that I worked with. Shout out to Kwabarati. I remember when we made Ongingomontu. Myself and Kwabarati were performing at this private function. So afterwards, we're like, you know what, we still have some time. Let's do it. So that's how Ngengomuntu came about. Stuff like that. Good to know the impromptu stuff, unplanned. Sometimes that's what turns into the gold,
Right, put your hands together for Sizalobuhle. Get. Efuna ukuthi wenzakale namhlanje ukuthi you're not only coming for the experience ukuthi lizwe ingoma as go album, but also need to understand ukuthi Sizalobuhle ngubani, what is the passion around the music, why ehlabela ingoma azihlabelayo, because if uthi mali hambe ekhaya libe kwazi ukuthi hayi sihambile sesikwazi ukuthi Sizalobuhle ngubani, sesikwazi what makes Sizalobuhle tick. So we all need to know and understand ukuthi kahle kahle who is Sizalobuhle. Right, you must have a message for. I know some people say there's nothing called an upcoming artist, but maybe there's one or two people and they want to get into the industry. They want to try and make music.
Yo, music industry. Get a day job, guys. Get fever. Otherwise, no. Just be you. If you want to make music, make the music that even you would listen to. Because mina ngiyahlala sibili yanthola ngilalele album lami, yanthola ngilalele ubazovuma, yanthola ngilalele ubashiselwa. And for the past 3 years, some of the songs I've been listening to these songs for more than 3 years, and azange mbowe, azange zindage at any point in time. So make the music that even you would enjoy and listen to. Ungaqala khona lapho kuphela you're done. You know, so there's nothing that can beat that. Abula.
All right, put your hands together once again from Sizalobuhle, and guys, are we ready? So, Sizalobuhle, I'm going to ask you a very difficult question.
Yeah.
Out of all the songs that you have produced, out of all the songs that you have done, if I was going to ask you to pick just one song which you can safely say is your favorite, just one. Yeah, was this one easy? But every corner there was good Which song can that be?
It's probably this one, so we just need to do it. So ubamba umuntu wakho. It is only ebusuku when only less time to Sunday. I woke up ngabhaleli incwadini. Thatha pen nephepha, ngahlala phansi ngabhala. Baby, I woke up ngabhaleli incwadini. He's always ebusuku when only less time to Sunday. I woke up ngabhaleli incwadini. Thatha pen nephepha, ngahlala phansi ngabhala. Baby, I woke up ngabhaleli incwadini. I hope we tolile incwadi engubhalele yona. Ashiya ngaphansi komqamelo. I hope we tolile incwadi engubhalele yona. Ngishiye ngaphansi komqamelo. Besithi ngutshela izinto zonke enhlala ngisaba ukukutshela zona. Ukuthi baby besithi ngutshela izinto zonke enhlala ngisaba ukukutshela zona. Yazi ezinye izinto zikhulu ukukhuluma. Uyazama uzame kodwa kungaphumi lutho. Kanti umtshela kanjani umuntu ukuthi ugcwele ngake. Lento kuthiwa impilo ngeke uyiphile nxa ungelaye. Ezinye izinto zikhulu ukukhuluma. Uyazama uzame kodwa kungaphumi lutho. Kanti umtshela kanjani umuntu ukuthi ugcwele ngake. Lento kuthiwa impilo ngeke uyiphile nxa ungelaye. Uyitholile besithi ngutshela izinto zonke endlala sabukutshela zona ngiyakuthanda 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 lawo ngiyakuthanda 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 futhi ngiyakuthanda ngutshele 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 ukuthi ngiyakuthanda besithi ngutshele izinto zonke endala sabukutshela zona ngutshele baby besithi ngutshele izinto zonke endala sabukutshela zona ngutshele uhlala wazi ngiyakuthanda ngiyakuthanda uhlala wazi ngiyakuthanda okay tshela umuntu oseceleni kwakho umtshele zwana ngiyakuthanda ngiyakuthanda uthi kuye ngiyakuthanda yeah besithi ngutshela izinto zonke endala sabukutshela zona ukuthi baby besithi ngutshela izinto zonke endala sabukutshela zona ngutshele Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shekinah. Give it up for Peggy on keys. Give it up for Benji on sax. So yeah, like I said, it was my birthday a couple of days ago. Thankfully, guys, I'm very old now. Thankfully, dinosaur. So I see this thing happening every time. Ngingavakatshela ngabo auntie, ngingavakatshelwa ngabo gogo. Balokhe bembuza into eyi-one. Wonke umuntu uyambuza ukuthi kanti Sis K uyachata nini? You know, it's a very strange question. People keep asking me this thing. When you check, we are chatting. Even Lamachita, I say chatty, Lambus got check a chatting. So, yeah, it's becoming too common. It seems Guti Abagiti Sevefuno Malugaza. So, I want to corner somewhere corner. Guys, corner somewhere corner. Somewhere corner. That direction, this direction. Yeah. Cesarate. Alright, let's do this. So we're gonna strip it down. We're gonna strip it down for you guys. Yeah. Batakulungangu kutindo tihlali yoto. Phandle lapha islingo soto. Bathi ngifuna umuntu washela mpheke. Bathi ngifuna umuntu ozongizalela ingane. Sesifikile isikhathi sesifikile. Bathi thatha mfana, thatha usumulile. Sesifikile isikhathi sesifikile. Bathi thatha siza, thatha usukhulile. Zwana abakithi sebefuna umalukaza. Abakithi sebefuna umalukaza. Bafuna umakoti, bafuna umalukaza. Bafuna umakoti, bakabuya umalukaza. Abakithi sebefuna umalukaza. Abakithi bafuna umalukaza. Bafuna umakoti, bafuna umalukaza. Kabuya umakoti, bakabuya umalukaza. Bafuna umalukaza. Emakwekwe bafuna umalukaza. Kobulawayo khona umalukaza. Ngiyakwazi nanyana umalukaza. bafuna umakoti bafuna umalukaza kabuye umakoti bathi kabuye umalukaza bathi kumele ndinge intombeni lesikhulisa umuzikaba isikambob isikamlamayezi isikamlamala funa yena kanye yena umfazi uqobo wife material umfazi uqobo izobuya nini invitation yomshado abayabuza amagogo bayabuza sifuna ukuthi bashiyane umhlaba sikwazi ukuthi lo wakho dingo wakho umuntu ngowakho abakithi sebefuna umalukaza abakithi bafuna umalukaza bafuna umakoti bafuna umalukaza nanyana umalukaza oh nanyana umalukaza akabuye umalukaza Can everybody clap like so? Like abakithi bathi bafuna umalukaza abakithi sebefuna umalukaza abakithi bathi bafuna umalukaza kabuye umakoti kabuye umalukaza kabuye umakoti bathi kabuye umalukaza belabe liyelo bona umalukaza belabe yi black beauty umalukaza belabe lefika umalukaza belabe umalukaza hamyothezi inkuni umalukaza yeye aye we umalukaza aye umalukaza Shekinah, do your thing, man. Let's hear it. Yeah. Beggy, take it away, boy. Give it up for Beggy on keys. Gigi. Oh yeah, yeah. Shout out to Kobarati. Kobarati Lwa. You ready to go? Alright, so right about now, I'm gonna ask a very was not a special someone. Anyway, she's very special. I'm gonna ask a very special lady seated over there, Oktong Lati, to come up on stage and join me. We'll do something nice for you guys. Chichi. Chichi.
Hey. Good evening. Sanbonani.
Sanbonani.
Are you guys happy? You don't look happy.
Latino.
Hey.
Melicity.
Hey. Emaphathini.
Emaphathini.
Kuthiwa ngeke uthole uthando emaphathini, guys. Is it true? Ngamanga.
Is that true?
No. Ngangilutholile kodwa emaphathini.
Be happy.
See happy. Yes, we are.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Turn me up, DJ. Turn me up. Yeah. Alright, run that back. Turn me up. Funguizi shala pana. Yeah, Funguizi shala pana. Iyo, Naso. Yebo. Lati. I sit, hey, hello. Wula wa yo hello. Wula wa yo hello. Before the end of the night, moving over. Before the end of the night, moving over. Shape mapati Kala ngivezwa Bathi ngekuthola uthande mapati Yenzeni na Ngoba ingqondo sisilwa lenhliziyo Khona umuntu esengimbonile wantshontshela inhliziyo Awe muntu omuhle Usondele duze Awe muntu omuhle Wozala Awe muntu omuhle Usondele duze
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Lati, give it up for Western Cousins. Yeah, I think that was a neat surprise, eh? You should come with us to the after party so you pin like a 10. Yeah. See ready? See ready? See ready? See ready? See ready? She's smiling. What's the rate? So after I had a chance to actually we worked with Ladi. Emma Patino was actually the very last song that we recorded for this album. So it was before when we did Golola with Begiwe. So yeah, you're not ready, guys. You're not ready. Yeah. Chi. Uthando yintwende ungamtholo wakho ungamyeki ngokuthando yintwende mina sengithole yena wena uyajabulisa mina sengithole wena ngenzele unabethi kunzima uthanda umuntu unabethi kunzima wemama uthanda umuntu ayinto enzima kanjani
Self-Mela Tumbegi is amazing. Very much amazing. Sure, yeah, so she's a stage, guys. Bazovu. Guys. So guys, I want to tell you a little story about working with MJ. So I think with MJ, Sake Safungu Sevens sometime last year. Yeah. It almost happened but didn't happen. Then Safungu Sevens sometime beginning of the year, it almost happened but didn't happen. And then finally, I think, yeah, actually Ingoma Zotando was the third last song I recorded for this album. So sakumleni ngoma yona ngena. Sunshine. Yeah, kulomunye umuntu wayefichile ku album okhona khona la and he's very mad at MJ sings because ngamtshela ngathi ajekela yabona. Anyway, this is for everyone who's ever had their heart broken. This one's for you, but it's not a sad song. You're gonna dance to this one. Hey, when not DJ, you send Sarah Swain got to Genza. I know cool, darling, come as a tad. I was in Mutu Amuchi. I know cool, darling, come as a tad. Oh, Calico, Calibianola, oh, Calico, oh, Calibianola, oh, Chiva, get caught get caught so Too many times been done, too many times been she, too many times been pulling DC. Too many times, too many times, too many times been pulling DC. But they have sapunguzi, zikoma zotato, zipulling DC, koma zotato, mama sapunguzi. I called Zimpuli Fizio, Fizio Amikatele, Ikatele, Fizio Amikatele, Ikatele, Fizio Amikatele, Ikatele,
bashiya khona sikholwe ikhole khole lenhliziyo yami ikhothe babuya bahlala ikhothe babuya bashiya ikhothe sikholwe ikhole ikhothe khole lenhliziyo ikhothe sikholwe ikhole lenhliziyo yami bo ikhothe
MJ sings. Yeah. You guys wouldn't believe because MJ sings. Actually, Siyenza Lengoma. I sent him the song in the morning. Obvious studio mini. And when I heard that verse, I was like, no, ngeke. Amazing singer, amazing writer, one of the best writers I ever met. Give it up for MJ sings. I hear you. Bro, I hear you. Alright, so right about now, there's that brother somewhere over there. Yeah, Uchomlwana, he flew in the morning. Yes, he flew in the morning. Yes, he's here. Yeah, he's here. Yeah, we'd like to see some of him on the stage right about now. Yeah, like I said, this song was not the song that was supposed to be on the album, but it ended up being on the album because it's that amazing. I don't even want to say no more. The song will do all the talking. Liza Izwa Lord Wanje. Yeah. Give it up for Aisha! Sure. We are on.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? How you doing, yo?
How you doing? How you
guys feeling? You guys feeling good? First of all, I just want to congratulate my brother for the amazing album. Congratulations, bro. And I appreciate it for having me on it. And I hope it's going to open the doors you want open in life, man.
Amen to that.
Amen.
So yeah, we ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro.
All right, everybody get up because this is a dance tune. I don't want to see anyone sitting down. I want to see everybody dancing when this song come on. Man, let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Yo. So be yourself, baby girl, just be free. Shake it for me, like there's nobody else, just you and I like to see you move it. I love the way you move it. jive. Oh, sweetie, fellow jive. La people telling come and hey, oh, baby, fellow jive. Oh, baby, fellow jive. One more time. Sit in. Are we closing? We say.
I don't know.
Helele, 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 yeah.
Let's sing this together.
That's Aisha, guys. Oh, let's do that one more time. Helele, 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 yeah.
Let's see. Helele, 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 yeah.
One more time. That sounds so nice, man. Oh, one more time.
Bless up.
One more time. One more time. Let's do it one more time. I wanna, guys. The vocalists are amazing, guys. Can you please give them a round of applause?
Thank you.
All right, but I wanna hear this one thing one more time. Let's hear this one thing one more time. Say, helele, helele, yeah.
Helele, 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 yeah. Whoa. Helele, 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 yeah.
Yeah. So, I was in the studio with Aisha, and then he got behind the mic, and the first thing he did was like, helele, 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 yeah. Or like, no, forget that other song. Shout out to Aisha.
Appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. I love
Give
you.
a round of
Amazing.
applause. A big shout out to Aisha. Yeah. Wow. Bayete. There's a brother of mine. He's a brother from another mother. Yeah, if it's like a Tangum 07. He should be somewhere here, somewhere. He should be somewhere here, somewhere. 07.
Gaga Kuku.
Gaga Kuku. J. Kubono kamba lechere ngifuna awusumoya wami I saw you walking with a girl of my dreams and awusumoya wami Ukangelile wadega awusumoya wami Run that back Yeah Kaka kuku Yeah So you walking with a girl of my dreams and I was so boy I can't get in what day and I was so boy she looked at you and she smiled I was so boy Sizalobuhle Akathi wenza lelo akawazi ukuthi mina ngiyafuna lo ngiyafuna lo thana sesebazana unomala sesize sakhula namhlanje akathi sithi ngizomshela sesize sakhula namhlanje angawadinga ngiyawaswela mama ayabaleka swela mama angawadinga ngiyawaswela mama So you walking with a girl of my dreams I was so
umoya wami ukhangelile wahleka ngawusa umoya wami she looked at you when she smiled ngawusa umoya wami ah yeah 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 I know she knows ufuna ngibe jealousy. She smiles at you when I'm around ufuna ngibe jealousy. I know she knows ufuna ngibe jealousy. She smiles at you when I'm around ufuna ngibe jealousy. Ubona ukhamba nechere ngifuna ngawusa umoya wami. So you walking with a girl of my dreams ngawusa umoya wami. Ngawusa umoya wami khangelile wahleka ngawusa umoya wami. She looked at you when she smiled ngawusa umoya wami. Ah yeah she knows that you when I'm around ufuna ngibe jealousy engithi ufuna ngibe jealousy wena ufuna ngibe jealousy everybody say Sizalobuhle hey say Sizalobuhle Sizalobuhle why you rock man Sizalobuhle everybody let's go Sizalobuhle. Can the choir join us? Everybody let's go yeah it's Sizalobuhle Bulawayo Sizalobuhle Swana it's mina ngiyamthanda umsiske mina ngiyamthanda umsiske sabe futhi wonke umuntu uyamthanda umsiske wonke umuntu uthanda umsiske sabe yabona umsiske I want to tell you something bro. Siske is talented. We're live. Yeah. We're coming to you live. Guys, are you ready? Let's do that again. Now you got the lyrics, right? You got the lyrics? Song 7 this one. Raise your hand. Everybody go Sizalobuhle. Sizalobuhle. Let's go. Sizalobuhle. Yeah. You go Sizalobuhle. Let's go. Maradona Siske Obatina Siamtandum Siske Tina Siamtandum Siske Siske Tina Siamtandum Siske Obatina Siamtandum Siske Siske Rome sees yo guys make some noise. Shout out from so 7. Sweet Maradona. Yeah. Yo guys. Yeah. Among Amavi, Bulawa has got talent. Africa has got talent. And when we're talking talent, we're talking Sizalobuhle. Shout out to Msiske. More blessings, my brother. More good music, brother. Utata ma awards won't check this year. How shy the shake. One last time from Msiske. Guys, Susugalapa, we're going to the after party. Details coming your way soon. Yeah. Right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Siske. We're not done. Aska 30, we're not done at all. And I'd like to say to everyone, Obuye Lamhlanje, and you know that you purchased a ticket. Once again, Cela uzichayele izandla. Lenga uwinile ticket ku social media uzichayele izandla lawo.
Hey everybody, what up? This is your boy from Guy. We just done with the Sizalobuhle show. It was an amazing experience actually. I was one of the BVs. check it out on Instagram, Twitter, every social media platform. Enjoy.
Hello, good people. Just done with the Sizalobuhle show. It has been an awesome experience. He's talented. The album is so nice. It's so nice. Please get yourself the album. It's really nice. It's been an awesome experience to work with him. He's a good guy, a humble guy, cheerful guy. I enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed myself. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Sharon from Vocalex. Actually, we just came from Sizalobhule's launch. It's been amazing, guys. It's been too much. It's been awesome, everything. It's just a guy. Sizalobuhle is just a guy connecting with the people, the communities, humble, everything. Guy, please buy his CDs. His album is out. Please do him a favor and buy it so that you see how amazing he is, how he connects with the people and society. Thank you. Bye.
Hey, this is April. So it was nice working with Sizalobuhle. I loved all his songs. Makoti, I love and enjoy his songs.
Yebo, oh, I'm in love. I say cherry, I'm a ballet cherry, cherry, I'm a ballet cherry, hey cherry, I'm a ballet cherry, cherry, I'm a ballet cherry, oh, I'm in love. All these other girls do not exist. Super thick, black beauty, how can I resist? Sophisticated, educated, big girl. She's a masterpiece, take a look at girl. Coolest girl I've ever met. She's the best I've ever had. Kiss a cold, heaven sent, always real, never fake. White material, she's the type you bring home. Mama's gonna smile when I make the best intro. Manke vale chelas, abano cherry vale, abano cherry vale chelas. On my best friend vale chelas. Opela mina ngiti cherry, I'm a vale cherry, cherry, I'm a vale cherry. Hey cherry, I'm a vale cherry, cherry, I'm a vale leya. Oh me guste, yebo. Oh me guste, oh me guste, yeah. Nice. Give it up for Peishi. She's amazing. Right, into funny ukuthi mbona amanye amajita lapha abalabotshera babi lokho behlabela ingoma. Akunzima. Xa utshera ke movie, don't sing along to this song. Jokes guys. Everyone is beautiful. We are all beautiful.
It's a really quite great show, man. It's really quite enjoyed it. Benji on saxophone. What's your name, mate? Beggy, Boogie, Buggy, Bucky, whatever his name is, It's really nice. Just playing guitar from Sizalobuhle, man. It's really incredible, really dope. Verdoza, come this side, bro. This is Verdoza, Tulani's friend. Yeah, man. Check out the album.
Yeah. By the way, this guy is not British.
No, I am British actually.
I don't know what he's trying to do.
I listen to BBC Radio, bro. I listen. I listen.
Mushakina. So, sebalega njalo. Nah, sebalega. What's up? My name is Beggy. Today we're launching Sizalobuhle show. It was very awesome. The experience was very lovely. Now I turn up. I'm shocked, guys. For the first time, in a show in Bulawayo, and that's very promising. Actually, I wish all the artists can really support, and all the citizens of Bulawayo can really support local artists, because the product is fine, everything is dope. People are really working. And I'm also a keys man. I do production. I've witnessed so much talent. There's so much talent. If we could really endorse people that are here, we could go far. Otherwise, guys, it was a dope launch. Catch you next time. Peace.
Right, after a grueling 2 weeks of rehearsals, finally the show is done. We had a great time playing. I played the saxophone with Shekinah and the other guys. So check out the album online. Every streaming platform you can find it. #Sizalobuhle.
What's up? My name is Sydney from Depth Events. Siyathaba njalo futhi siyajabula ilanga lihle kangaka ekaMrs K kulontsha i-album yakhe Sizalobuhle. It was great, we had fun. Siyabonga ababuye bazosupporta. We really enjoyed it.
Guys, anamhlanje kufiwa bra. Abe bezihamba sibila Mrs K album lakhe lelana likhiphileyo anawubuleli. Yabe like benchuna la i-rehearsal yakhe yabo bengithunela ama sound mixing laphana la. Evuma sibuthi sound yawulala obhares asiko ngathi njalo. It's not about me, but I remember yasha into yakhe. I voice la kade singafaka ama effect no wara but performance green clean. Guyan clean stuff.
Hello, Salwanani, it's your girl B, and we just came from the launch and it was incredible. It was amazing. Congratulations, CSK, on your beautiful project. Everyone came in their numbers. You guys supported us so much. We're so grateful. Everything was good. It was vibes, the energy, you know. You guys really enjoyed the music. You got into the music and you got experience part A and part B of the whole project. Thank you to everyone who was involved. You guys made CSK's nights, I'm sure. And I hope we do more events like this and we show up in our numbers and we support local talents. Do make sure to check out Gulula on YouTube, on Spotify, on all the streaming platforms. Tell your friends, family, and subscribe to his YouTube channel. And let's get the word out there. Mwah.
Hello Bulawayo, my name is Beauty Tabiso, popularly known as the Beauty, your very own model. I'm simply coming from CZK's launch today and I can say it was really a blast. I didn't really know about the person, I was told by a friend this morning, but trust me, the experience I had, it's like I knew him from a long time ago. The music, I mean the beats personally, I have a few songs from this launch that I personally feel like I can really model to. It was fire, guys. If you were not there, you really missed it. I mean, it was on point. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Yeah. One time in the meantime, Western Cousins on the what? One time. The show was nice. I mean, I ain't come from manga. I'm Sizzy. I'm pulling Sizzy on forehead. Why is that so? I'm pulling Sizzy over for. I really loved the album. It was on fire. Especially that one. You did it, man. You deserve more love, more support. Keep on doing the good works, we keep on supporting each other. One time in the meantime, album. Yellow asike sole anything but siyakubonga kuyo yonke into yenzayo, you understand, so sithi qhubeka nawe izinto ezikahle, yabona, esikufisa ukuthi sikubone sithi hayi no lo nguye umsizi K wethu sesimbonela ngase America or sesimbonela ngase Italy, you understand, let's siyojabula mase sikubona nawe usunjani usutops or kanjani. Otherwise the show was so nice. We really enjoyed it. So now MCCK again Western Cousins, Feb G live featuring the album Wabarati Besna live. You understand? Beslo MJ, Beslo Aishan, Naranjan, Siabonga no Aishan bevelela khona le ngasengathi Echas bevelela khona le ngase Echas na ukwanisile ukuthi azafike la. Otherwise the album launch was so but otherwise, yeah.
Hi everybody, my name is Novia Segal. So I was at the CZK album launch. Woo, guys, it was super amazing. If you missed out, too bad for you. We had fun, we had so much fun. Shout out to CZK, congratulations, it was awesome. And I'm happy to say I was a video vixen in one of his videos. You know, Utando Mapatini. We are told Utando Mapatini. So I was a video vixen. And it was so much fun to be part of that video. Wearing old school stuff and all sorts of things. I'm so happy to be associated with CZK. And look out for a single that's coming off the album. AM Lom CZK, 86 Seni. So it's so good to, you know, Support your friends that are doing so well, like Sizalobuhle. I'm proud of him. The launch was super amazing. The collaborations that he did with the other fellow artists was super amazing. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of the other artists. Performances were amazing. Stage setup, oh my goodness, so beautiful. Shout out to Ladi, who's my friend. The song that she featured with Sizalobuhle, so beautiful. I think it's one of my favorites in the album. So yeah, shout out. I'm happy for you, Sizalobuhle. All the best in your career. Keep doing what you do. We love you so much. We appreciate you. I personally appreciate you. I will always be there for you. So I'm super proud of you here.
Hello guys, this is Malcolm Dube, Team Sizalobhule's manager. As you can tell from the smile, I'm very happy today. It turned up was amazing. At Art Gallery, we had more than 2 times the number of people we expected to turn up. Sizalobuhle performed. I think it was his best performance by a long mile. Siyabonga kakhulu to our sponsors. I'd like to thank Dep3 Events, Tanda ukubonga mainly iPairs, our main sponsors today. Cresta Hotel, Silele kahle kakhulu, and a few other sponsors I forget to mention as well today. By the way, it's 9 o'clock now and the party ayigastopi. We are now at the Red Cafe. We are continuing with the show. Time for the after party. Asambe sonke ku after party.